Now, when next you visit Tobago, Shurland's nature park, Bloody Bay Scarborough, is one stop to put on your list. CEO of the Tobago Festivals Commission, Arnold, recorded part of his trip there, and it forms tonight's Feel Good moment.
I just had it. It was amazing. I had this in my hand and holding it out here, and the hummingbirds came, landed on my fingers and fed, and it was just an awesome experience.
You know, it's so cool that he was able to do that and stay still like Gia is doing. Right now, we have no hummingbirds here, Gia. We have no hummingbirds here. But I feel like that's almost like a Shurland technique to stay that still, you know.